Hello students, in this video we'll see an example of how to compute the probability that the maximum of two independent random variables is less than a certain threshold. Let's suppose that x is uniform on 0, 1 and y is an exponential random variable on the interval 0 to positive infinity, and x is independent of y. Let's compute the probability that the maximum of x and y is less than or equal to 1/2. We can notice that the set where the maximum of x and y is less than 1/2 is equivalent to the set x being less than or equal to 1/2 and intersection y being less than or equal to 1/2. And since these events are independent, so these sets are independent events, we can conclude that the probability that the max of x and y is less than or equal to 1/2 is equal to the probability that x is less than 1/2 times the probability that y is less than or equal to 1/2. Now we know that, let's compute these probabilities separately. So we know that x is uniform, and this implies that the probability that x is less than or equal to 1/2 is the integral from 0 to 1/2 of 1 dx. And so we can compute this easily. It would just be equal to 1/2. We know that y is exponential. And this implies that the probability that y is less than or equal to 1/2 will be the integral from 0 to 1/2 of e to the negative x dx. An antiderivative of this is going to be negative e to the negative x from 0 to 1/2. And so we see that this will be equal to, I'll plug in the bottom and give a negative sign, that will give me a 1, and then minus e to the negative 1/2. So we put these two probabilities together and conclude that the probability that the maximum of x and y is less than or equal to 1/2 is 1/2 times 1 minus e to the negative 1/2 power, and this is the desired probability. Thank you very much.